Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're here in Meelup Farmhouse in Dunsboro. You can see alpacas. So more like a restaurant and a farmhouse at the same time. Are you seeing the alpacas? There they are. So cute. Looky. Oh my god. And look at the lemon. There's a lot of fruits. There they are. Hello. Hello. To be honest, I couldn't really tell the difference between an alpaca and a llama. Let's go check the inside. How cute is that? Hello. Hello. Hey. They're all over the place. In different colors. Cool. Like that is so cool. Look at that. The place is so nice. There's also an accommodation here. What's in there? Tingnan nilang ta. Free naman kaha. Where's the accommodation? Oh, is this accommodation or just the toilet? So what's in here? In there? Looks like there's like a room. Oh, how cute is that? I wonder what the inside would look like. It's really nice. Even the toilet looks nice. Look. So this is the restaurant, the one that you're seeing there. This is a nice place. What's that? What's in there? No, we're just here for the view. That's a cute swing. And it's starting to feel cold. Let's check what's in here. More lounge area, I'm guessing. Oh, stuffed room. No public access. Oh, I think that's about it. That's the end of the road. This is a nice thing, like very Instagrammable. Too bad. They're already closed. Couldn't order. So we can't order anymore?
Fortunately, we came here too late.
Too little, too late.
Maybe tomorrow morning we'll have breakfast here. What do you think? Do this
Look at all the wines.
Nice guy, you.
fairness. Sus, ang may COVID pa ya.
Where's Lizzie the cow? This is like, it says there's hammocks, but I couldn't see any of those. I couldn't see the cow. There's no hammocks.
The next day.
Hi guys, we're back here in Meelup Farmhouse. So we weren't able to order yesterday because it was already late and they're about to close. So we came back here and now we're too early. They would, I think they open at 9 in the morning and it's just like 8. At least. No, it's quarter to 9. So I think you've seen this part. Just want to show you what's in the outside. There's a creek. There's not much to see out here. This is just a place for mosquitoes to breed. Yeah, but that is nice, that view. It's not $1 million view, but you can't complain. It's really nice. And the farmhouse itself, it's good. Good interiors. So I thought like this is like part of the accommodation of Meelup Farmhouse, but it isn't. There's a sign at the front that says it's a private residence. So yeah, I think they're about to open the restaurant now. That area, that out there, I think I've shown you that yesterday. That's the place where they've got the swing and outdoor tables and chairs. brekkie time for the chicks. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Oh, sure, thank you.
Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get a lot of people from the Philippines here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's this breed?
Silky. Oh, there's one that's
Silky.
one didn't make it back in.
Yeah.
It couldn't find its way. So apparently the breed is silky.
This is the first day they've hit the fence.
Oh,
They're
okay.
there all the time, but they wreck the grass. So now they've got to live in here.
Yeah, of course when they're eating.
They just keep eating and eating and eating.
Do they always know their way back?
This is the first time I've tried, so they did okay today.
They did great. They followed you from there.
Oh, they do that every day. They do that, but they don't know to go back in.
Oh, okay.
Lab? Is it a lab?
Labrador. Oh, Labrador. Chocolate.
Hey, you.
Chocolate lab. So all of you are pets, so.
Okay, you've already seen what's out there, so I'm not gonna head back there.
So we're down.
Cheers. Yay. We made it, guys. Look, a wood stove. I always wanted one. Oh, sorry. Okay, breakfast is served. That was quick, wasn't it? Did not have to wait long.
Pag-open ba dito na namin, tapos tumangon.
You want bread?
Whoa. Present, mom.
We share.
Present, mom.
Right now. You can share this one.
Are you sure? Is that enough?
Yeah.
I can grab
Yeah,
another one.
it should
Thank
be
you. Can you
all
revive
good.
me more? I know what you're talking about. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala lagi ko ikuan. Oh, nakadi ay.
Yes, mga pan guys. Guys, nasa Julie's.
Julie's bread. Halagyan na ako sa sausage.
Dahil mo lang, yun yung park. Saan ka Pinoy? Hindi. Choose lang. Ay Pinoy size, na ay Caucasian.
Take your pick.
That's it for our video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. Always remember to keep the faith and go for it. See you in my next vlog.